On the JWR Honda, picks off a position and gets himself up into 8th place. Luzbo went through as well, actually. Still no way through for Nicolas Dercourt, trying the inside now. Taking the shortest route through. Will he go the long way round here? Thought about it, but then cut back to the inside. Sometimes you can get hung up on the outside line where it's quite deep. Bit of a wrestle match going on here. Bikes working overtime. Rolling bumps, and there you go. Down the inside, gets parked. Didn't take any chances there, did he, at all? Just hold on the gas, ran him to the outside, wasn't bothered if he was going to go down himself. High risk, this one. Third to second, watch this. Dercourt down the inside to Bortoli. Said, you know what? I'll leave it there. You can stay there as well. So Dercourt now up in a second. The championship leader back down to 9 points. Pressing off, takes a look over his shoulders. He's 3 seconds clear. There's DeWaal in the background, just to the side of the monster banners, heading up towards turn 1 now. He's still there in 7th place.